In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code to Canva website. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your Canva website. And once you're there, just head over and open a blank design or any design that you want to add it with. Once you're there, just scroll up to the left sidebar and click on Apps. Click on the search bar and search right here for Embed. From there, you can see this Embed app. So head over and click on this. Click on Open. And then after that, the app will open wherein you can just paste right here the web link that you want added. So let's head over and paste right here a web link. Once you have added the link, head over and click onto this Add to Design. And from in there, this will add or embed that particular link. As you can see, here is the link added, and you can now add it to your design, move it around, or however you want. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need.